Hello everyone. With this video I start my new channel about modeling for 3D printing. This device is for rehabilitating fingers after an injury or stroke. I modeled and made this for my mom. She was regaining mobility in her fingers after surgery. Her fingers were moving, but they didn't have the necessary strength. The regular spandrels were too stiff for her. I wanted the exerciser to have a wide range of force settings and to be simple enough to make. Because in rehabilitation it is very important to start as early as possible. I printed this trainer out of plastic and used a regular money rubber band as the spring. In this video you can see the process of printing on my printer and assembling it with my hands, so you can evaluate the quality of the result. You can get a free printable model at the first link in the description, then print it yourself or have it printed by someone else. I hope this will be the fastest way to get the simulator. If you like my work and want to thank me, you can buy the model for a small fee at the second link in the description. I hope that my humble labor will help someone recover fine motor skills of the fingers faster. I wish everyone good health.